Hi children, welcome back to the Max class. So in the previous videos we learnt about the HCF, no? Yes. So we have in HCF only one method, that is prime factorization method. So we can find out the HCF using only prime factorization. Is that clear? Yes. Now let us go into our next topic, that is LCM. So do you know what do you mean by LCM? What is the meaning of LCM? Yes, it is nothing but the least common multiple. The least common multiple. Yes, did you find a difference between this LCM and HCF? HCF is a common factor. LCM is a common multiple. Yes or no? So, right from the beginning we learned like factors, multiples, common things and all, and finally we have reached this level. Okay. Now, let us see how to find the LCM of two numbers. Actually, LCM can be found in two methods. One is factorization method. Like how we have done our HCF, we can do in the method, but a little change when we are about to write the answer. But the second method is the division method. Second method is the division method. Here, to find this, we are having prime factorization method as well as the division method. There are two methods to find the LCM, that is prime factorization method and division method. So let us see one of the method here. Okay, let us see the prime factorization method of the same two numbers which we have seen for HCF. Okay, so 12 and 16. Okay, so here the process continues to be the same, that is similar in both LCM as well as in HCF. That is, when we are finding the LCM using prime factorization method. So what are the things you should remember? You should do prime factorization of two numbers separately using only prime numbers. Is it clear? Yes. So 12. Let us take 12 and write 2 times of 6. 2 times of 3 and 3 times of 1. So please don't distract in between when you are doing the prime factorization method. You have to do it till the end, that is where you get 1. Is that clear? Yes. Now coming to 16, 2 times of 8, 2 times of 4, 2 times of 2 and 2 times of 1. Is that clear? Now see, as you multiply, I told you previously also, please check it when you are doing the prime factorization, whether you are doing it with the correct table or not. Whether you are taking the correct prime numbers to divide or not. Okay? And after this process is the similar thing, you have to write 12. 12 can be written as 2 times of 2 times of 3 times of 1. Okay? Now 16 can be written as 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 1. And now, so initially when we are taking LCM, first you should find the common things. That means the common numbers which are there. What are the common things? So please circle them. Right, the common things. Okay. So when we are writing the LCM of two numbers of 12 and 16 can be written in such a way. The initial step here we will take in two steps. First step is you will write the common numbers. So that is 2 times of 2. So your first step is clear. Yes or no? This is similar because we will write first the HCF of it and then we will write the remaining. So that makes the LCM. Okay. And now the second step, take the different numbers which are there. See whether this number is present in the other number or not. Okay. See whether this number is present in the other numbers or not. If it is present, you should take the maximum number of times it is given. Okay. So see 3, actually 3 is not here. So you need to take 3 as it is not repeated. And next 2. See 2 is also there. But what is the maximum number of times 2 is there here? Yes, for 2 times. So 2 times of 2. Is that clear? Yes. Now you need to multiply all this. So did you understand? This is the first method. That is, when you are taking the LCM in prime factorization method, you have to first take the common things, that which is either called as HCF. take the HCF and the remaining numbers, if the numbers are repeated in both, suppose if here 2 is there and here 2 is there for 2 times. So 2 times is there, no, that you will take the maximum number of times. If it is not repeated, you will take for 1 time and you will take the other number and you will leave it. So all the remaining numbers will be taken into consideration. Okay, so we'll do another example to know it much more in clear and detail. Okay, so now see, you need to multiply it. Without multiplying, you won't get the LCM. 2 times of 2 is 4. 4 times of 3. Now see, please divide them and write so that it makes you easier. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So 4 12s are, what is 4 times of 12 or 12 times of 4? It is nothing but 48. Oh, we got 48. So children, are you not getting a doubt? Miss, we got HCF as 4 and we got LCM as 48. See, it is a very big number. Yes, it is a big number. Why? Because there you found the factor of it. So factor is a small number. Here we are finding a common multiple. Multiple means what? Automatically, you know, no? Multiples means tables. So multiple will be the bigger number. So please try to understand and don't get confused as you get the bigger number. Okay? Multiples will be always bigger than HCF only. Because HCF is just a part of our LCM. Understood? Is that clear? Yes. So once again we will recall the LCM. LCM we have done here in a prime factorization method. There are 2 methods for it. One is prime factorization method and the other one is division method. So prime factorization method taking 2 numbers, that is 12 and 16. So 12 we have written in the prime factorization method. 16 we have written in the prime factorization method. Write the numbers as the prime factorization. That means as a product of their numbers. So as you write, the first thing of the LCM, here we are having 2 steps. One is the common thing, that is which is called HCF. You can either call it as HCF. And the second thing is the remaining numbers which are present, you need to add up them. Okay, and these numbers, if they are repeated in both the numbers, you will have a difference. That means you will take the maximum number of times it is repeated. Okay, is that clear, children? So do you have any doubt regarding the LCM? If so, or if you want anything else, please send me in my comment section so that I'll plan it once again to have another video to be in much more detail. Share, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.